Hello everyone, I want to introduce myself. My name is Moses Christopher. I'm from AMI IP Makassar and my major Nautica level 1. In this video, I want to make melon pop ice. The ingredients we need is a melon pop ice cube, milk, Milo, and water. First, we prepare the mixer and put the water in the mixer. Then put the powder pop ice in the mixer and little bit milk. After that, activate the mixer and wait until a few seconds. Next, pour the drinks to a glass. And then put the Milo on top. Finally, drinks is ready to serve.